Alright guys, welcome back, welcome back. In this unboxing, I will unbox this box. Boxy, boxy, boxy. Have I said box enough times? Did I mention I'm opening a box? I think I forgot to say that I was opening a box. What do you think, Julie? Alright, so this thing right here, I guess, is the dmkr, and I guess inside we should have goggles. Googly goggles. If only Google made goggles, but they don't. They just killed all the projects related to goggles and DV. Anyway, in VR. But this looks cool. This looks cool. So next video we'll talk about this a little bit more, but it's basically FPV goggles is what it is, with a bunch of cables.
Likey.